In this video, we're going to talk about the different types of NFTs. So let's start with the most popular one, collectibles. Now, collectibles are a collection of NFT images that have a similar theme, but each NFT has different attributes. So the perfect example of this is something called CryptoPunks, which is a collectibles collection with 10,000 unique NFTs. And each NFT has different traits, which make some rarer than others. So here you can see some of these collectibles. And what we can do is we can actually go ahead and click on one of these NFTs. And then inside, we're not only seeing a picture, but we can also see the unique and rare properties of this picture. So we can see that this CryptoPunk actually has something quite special. She has pigtails, which only 0.94% of all the CryptoPunks actually have. So these attributes actually make this CryptoPunk rare and also more scarce than some of the other CryptoPunks. Then we have digital art, where we're seeing more traditional art arrive, like photography or paintings and drawings, but also new styles of art like programmatic art, art which is being generated by code and by information on the blockchain. Then we have music and media, where we're seeing people upload music and videos and even music videos onto platforms like OpenSea and making money from that. Next, we have gaming, where you can play games to earn NFTs and develop your NFT characters. Gaming is an area of NFTs which is really exciting because it is creating new and innovative ways to interact with NFTs like never before. Back in 2017, we saw this for the first time with the famous CryptoKitties game, which allowed users to purchase, collect, and breed these adorable cats. But these days, there are more advanced games like Axie Infinity that allow you to do even more than this. Then there's a category of NFTs called real-world assets. Now, real-world assets is when people are tying physical real-world items to the blockchain and to NFTs. So examples of this are actual real artwork, which might be in a museum or in a gallery, tickets for events, and even real physical real estate. It's all possible to put on a blockchain and use NFTs for the purchasing and verification of ownership of these assets. Another up-and-coming category is virtual worlds, where people are creating digital versions of Earth and selling property, or even creating worlds which are new and have never existed up until this point. And you can buy land on these worlds and actually play different games, host events, or even post advertising for yourself or other companies. And finally, there is domain names, where you can use a service like Unstoppable Domains to register a domain name by holding an NFT. With all these different categories, we're just scratching the surface for what we can actually do with NFTs. And given that we're actually so early in the NFT saga, it's going to be really interesting to see what people do with NFTs as we move forward in the future.